What is coaching in Eastern wisdom? What is coaching in Eastern wisdom? Big question. And I would love to cover this in with the different concepts and understanding. So, coaching in Eastern wisdom, or coach in the Eastern wisdom, is a guru. So then you say, yes, I have understood, but that is not easy. Literal meaning of the guru may be a teacher, a coach, a mentor, a guide, etc., etc., etc. But the essence of the word guru, the word coming from the Eastern wisdom, you may say he is an expert, but the word guru means moving constantly, continuously from ignorance to wisdom. Ignorance causes the suffering, and the wisdom uh, in you helps you to realize your real nature. And when you awaken to your real nature, you think and speak and act with everything of the positive psychology, plus permanent peace, happiness, love, and wisdom. So the coach or the guru in Eastern wisdom can work as a life coach, as a performance coach, as a relationship coach, as a business coach, as a career coach. After all, you contact any coach and a mentor, some blockage. You're not able to think rightly. You're not able to take the right step. Why? Because of limitedness inside. Because you say, I don't know. What is that I don't know? Is ignorance. So the Eastern wisdom have a very sound principles, steps, and practices that helps you to remove this blockage. So when a person receives the teaching, it produces extraordinary results in personal, professional, social, and family lives. Why? Because because he starts thinking, speaking, and acting out of the real self. What is real? Absolute existence, consciousness, bliss. So Eastern wisdom, basically, coaching in the Eastern wisdom is a method, a process to moving from outside to inside first. Outside, wrong situation, how challenging situation, move inside. Know your inner potential. Hey, have you known now? Now you move inside, from inside to outside. Work on it. So the movement from outside to inside makes a person a seeker who treats the path. And then the movement from inside to outside allows seeker to produce excellence in personal, professional, and social lives. The coaching, my friend, coaching in Eastern wisdom is a journey of self-fulfillment. It is thinking, speaking, and acting in peace, happiness, love, and wisdom, creativity, dynamism, inner and outer prosperity. Eastern wisdom, to tell you frankly, Eastern wisdom, there are hundreds of the texts. So that Eastern wisdom lays down very well defined skills, knowledge, who can be known as guru. In modern term, who can be known as coach. It's not my personal preference. It's not that I'm more intelligent. Now, here are the skill sets are laid down. This is the way he has to go through the process. All the same time, Eastern wisdom lays down the principles and the practices to help the person to become a seeker, to treat the path to succeed. A lot of things, we'll talk